Every morning, they mock us, tiny shadows against the sun, effortlessly defying the very gravity that binds our every step. A silent, ancient dream, forever out of reach. What forgotten secret, what forbidden magic, allows them to dance with the clouds, while we remain chained to the earth? Consider the inherent injustice. From the dawn of humanity, the sky has whispered promises we could never keep. We look up, with an ache in our bones, as birds trace invisible paths across the boundless blue, their freedom a constant, graceful taunt. This isn't just a matter of biology. It's a profound, almost existential dilemma that has fueled myths, inspired inventions, and birthed a species perpetually envious of a simple, feathered creature. Tonight, we don't just ask about wings. We delve into the deeper, darker truths of evolution, physics, and the very design of life itself that chained us to the ground while elevating them to the heavens. The first secret lies not in the wing itself, but in the unseen architecture beneath the feathers. Unfold a bird's wing, and you reveal a masterpiece of skeletal engineering. Their bones are not solid, heavy anchors like ours. They are intricate, hollow structures, often reinforced with internal struts, making them incredibly light yet remarkably strong. This adaptation, known as pneumatization, reduces overall body mass, a critical factor in achieving flight. For us, every step we take is a testament to the density of our skeleton, designed for bearing weight and upright posture. Our bones are ancient, heavy pillars, rooted in a terrestrial past, a constant reminder of the gravity that governs our every existence. But mere lightness isn't enough. Flight demands explosive power. Birds possess an extraordinary musculature, particularly the massive pectoral muscles that can account for up to 35% of their total body weight. These muscles are specifically adapted for rapid, powerful contractions, pulling the wings down in the powerful stroke that generates lift and thrust. Imagine the sheer, raw force required to repeatedly lift an entire body against gravity. Humans, while capable of bursts of strength, lack the specialized muscle mass and the unique attachment points on our chest that birds use as a robust anchor for these flight muscles. Our power is directed forward, across the ground, not upwards, into the sky. The most visible, yet perhaps most overlooked, secret is the feather itself. More than just decoration, feathers are engineering marvels. Each one is a lightweight, interlocking structure of barbs and barbules that creates a nearly airtight, yet flexible, surface. This allows the bird to control airflow with astonishing precision, shaping the wing to generate lift, reduce drag, and maneuver with breathtaking agility. Without a feather's complex design, flight would be impossible. We, on the other hand, are covered in mere hair, a simple insulation, a faint echo of our mammalian lineage, utterly devoid of the aerodynamic genius required to harness the wind. The feather isn't just a part of the bird. It's an ancient technology perfected over millions of years that we simply never evolved. The internal machinery of a bird is equally alien to us, a testament to an evolutionary path devoted entirely to the skies. Their respiratory system is a marvel of efficiency, unlike anything found in mammals. Birds possess a unique unidirectional airflow system, where air moves through their lungs in a single direction, constantly providing fresh, oxygen-rich air to their muscles. This means they can extract far more oxygen from each breath than we can, sustaining the high metabolic rates required for sustained flight. Our lungs, with their tidal breathing pattern, are efficient for terrestrial life, but a catastrophic bottleneck for the energy demands of airborne existence. Their breath is the very fire that fuels their journey. Connected to this respiratory prowess is a heart that beats with an almost frantic intensity, a relentless drum of high-octane life. Birds generally have larger hearts relative to their body size compared to mammals, and their heart rates are astronomically high. A hummingbird's heart can beat over 1,200 times per minute, pushing oxygenated blood to flight muscles at an incredible pace. This sustained, powerful circulation ensures that the demanding pectoral muscles never lack the fuel they need. Our human heart, while robust and vital, operates at a significantly lower baseline, a rhythm suited for walking, running, and resting, not for the continuous, exhausting demand of propelling a body through the air. Their heart is a tiny, tireless engine of ascension. Beyond the physical, there are the unseen faculties that guide their aerial ballet. Bird brains, though small, are incredibly specialized for flight and navigation. They possess highly developed areas for processing visual information, spatial awareness, and memory, allowing them to navigate complex aerial routes, pinpoint prey from great heights, and perform intricate aerial maneuvers. Many species also possess an innate magnetic sense, an unseen compass that helps them migrate across continents with astonishing accuracy. Our human brain, while capable of abstract thought and complex problem-solving, is primarily wired for terrestrial navigation, social interaction, and tool use. We look to maps. They are the map, etched into their very being. Ultimately, the most undeniable truth is the relentless, unforgiving hand of gravity. We are simply too heavy. For a human to achieve sustained flight by muscular power alone, our chest muscles would need to be impossibly large, our bones impossibly light, and our metabolic rate astronomically high. Calculations suggest that a human would need chest muscles so vast they would essentially prevent us from standing upright, rendering us flightless in a different way. Our physical form, our very bulk and density, is an adaptation to terrestrial living, a compromise forged by millions of years of evolution spent on the ground, not in the air. We are designed to stand, to walk, to run, not to soar. The divergence happened millions of years ago, a cosmic fork in the road of evolution. Our lineage, evolving from tree-dwelling primates, specialized in grasping, manipulating tools, and developing a larger, more complex brain for abstract thought and social structures. We traded the freedom of the skies for the mastery of the ground, for the power of invention, and for the profound, often burdensome, gift of self-awareness. Birds, on the other hand, hone their bodies into living, breathing aerodynamic machines, sacrificing manual dexterity and complex cognition for the unparalleled liberty of the air. It was a choice, made by the blind hand of natural selection, that forever separated our destinies. Perhaps the ancient myths understood this profound separation better than science. The tale of Icarus, soaring too close to the sun on waxen wings, is more than a cautionary fable against hubris. It is a primal lament, an acknowledgement of our fundamental limitation. It speaks to a deep, ingrained human desire, an almost genetic memory of a freedom we never truly possessed. We build machines to fly. We dream of weightlessness. But the true, biological flight remains an elegant secret held exclusively by those feathered beings who evolved to defy the very chains that bind us. The story of Icarus is the human story, forever reaching for what is not ours, forever bound to the earth from which we came. We started by envying their effortless dance, their silent dominion over the boundless blue. We end with a deeper understanding, not just of why they can fly, but of why we cannot. It is a story of specialization, of trade-offs, of billions of years of divergent evolution that designed two paths, one for the earth, one for the sky. While we may never shed our terrestrial bonds, the birds serve as a constant, beautiful reminder of what is possible, a living testament to the wonders of adaptation. They are the sky's silent promise, and perhaps our enduring inspiration. The universe is full of such wonders, creatures who have mastered dimensions we can only dream of. What other forgotten truths are hidden in plain sight, waiting for us to gaze up and ask?